everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a December daily process video from before December. These are a few things that happen in the month of November, which includes Red Cup Day, which is today, the day I'm uploading this. And also we got the catalogs and how I started to decorate our bookshelf for the holidays. And I'm gonna be looking through the Holly Jolly kit from Studio Calico. No, this is not the Holly Jolly kit. This is the one from last year, which I believe it's probably sold out. And I'm also looking through the Let's Stay In documentary kit from Studio Calico, which is the kit from December 2021. And it had I got it in a sale for subscribers for only $5, and I was so excited. So I decided to look through that also, and that's one of the items that I'm gonna use for this year. I was working through reorganizing my holiday December daily stash cart. I have a video of the one that, the setup that I had before, but I'm switching up some products and changing some things. So I may show an update later, depending on how different it is. And as I said in my last video, this year I'm going to type all my journaling into these clear stickers and either put them on photos, on cards. And I love how it turned out. I love layering it with the label stickers. These label stickers, I think that most of the items except these puffy stickers that I'm gonna use in this layout are from Studio Calico. The chipboard stickers are from the Holly Jolly kit, so I'm gonna be mixing up a bunch of things. I'm not a stickler for using one collection, one product, one company, unless it's a design team challenge or post. Otherwise, I'm pretty mellow about the items that I use. And I'm gonna loop some twine through this tag from the chipboard stickers. And I added a bunch of things to this card, but I love how it turned out, and I like that doing the journaling this way gave me the opportunity and the space to add even more embellishing. If you're new to my channel, I love to embellish. I use all the stickers, all the little word stickers, the washi tape. I love it all. Which is why at the end of December, well, not at the end of December, I never finished during December. At the end of my December daily, I almost have to sit down on it to close it because they are always chunky. Like my last non-chunky album was 2014. I didn't like it. It was boring and I didn't have as much fun making it. And yeah, the memories are for the whole family, but playing with paper is for me. So these prompt stamps from Everyday Explorers, they're for the holidays and they are amazing. I love a prompt stamp, and even for the holidays, like even better. I have all my holiday stamps in one of the hot cocoa boxes that were being sold at Target in 2022, I think. But it's a great way to hold your stamps, and I might add it to the card because right now it's on my desk. And I also have like a bunch of stickers and all that, so it's a great way to organize them. And the star stamps are from Studio Calico, and I'm gonna use them a lot in this photo because I'm gonna go stamp crazing one of the photos. And whenever I have a new stamp, I use a little bit of eraser on it, and then I ink it, and then I clean it. That way it removes that new film that it's on newer stamps. And I have a whole video of, stamping on photos and being, in real time, showing products, showing all the tips, doing it right at the moment. And I'm going to have it linked in the cards if you're interested. I love to stamp on photos, and these two inks are one of my favorite brands, the Color Theory from Studio Calico, and also the Stays On from Tsukineko. And then I added a little word sticker from Pretty Little Studio, which I love a phrase sticker, and if you make it tiny, like, even better. And here I am using that stamp again, and I wanted to use something that would contrast the red cup. This is the free red cup from last year. And I took a photo against my kitchen door, that way it would pop a little more. The photo that I took today, because of course I went this morning and got my cup, was against the tree, so it's a little bit different. And sometimes I get fancy with the editing, not too much that I change colors, distort reality, and probably create new timelines. I try to be artsy with it, but with bokeh, maybe making it lighter, making the background maybe fade a little bit so I can make the item on the front pop. And then I use another one of those star stamp stamps, sorry, to add a little red, because I want contrast, but I also want something extra. And I love this stamp set so much. I got it on sale for $5 or $10. No, it was $10, but it was so worth it. I love how it looks. And maybe this is a little bit much for you. I get it. I do a little bit much way too often. But maybe adding a little bit in the corners like I did with the journaling card works for you. If you have stamps and you have them because they are very cool and you bought them and you never use them, give yourself the challenge that, you know what, in one of the next 3 layouts that I make, I'm going to use my stamps, because stamps are pricey, but the good thing about it is that if they are good quality, they can last you a very long time, and they are well worth the money. And this is what I love about using the stickers. I'm going to add it directly on my photo, and this photo is super simple, just the catalogs. And the whole idea of doing all these many flat lays came, I believe, either from last year I did prep date, and I think I did not play prep. I mixed them up. There's product play and prep day, so I did both. I can't remember which class had the idea to take a lot of photos of flat lays, but it was a great idea. I do it a lot with ornaments. Every year I show the new ornaments, and then I also did the sweaters, and I did the catalogs. And these alphas from Studio Calico are so flippin' perfect for December Daily and everything ever in the history. It's one of my favorite fonts from Studio Calico, and I love the Color Theory collection because it has I love staples. So they have the labels and they have the alpha stickers, and they just look amazing. And then I'm going to add some sprinkles from the Doodlebug collection. I forgot the name of this Doodlebug collection, but it's super cute and it matches my aesthetic. The paper, it's a little bit busy, but I love the embellishments. And this is what I had last year. Later during the month it changed, and I'm gonna take another photo of that. I'm going to use a stamp from Everyday Explorers, but this time is the holiday seals, which are so cool. I love the font. They are very bold. They're a little bit bigger than the prompts. So I would get, if I could only pick two for the holidays, I, oh man, this is a bold statement. But okay, if I could only pick two holiday stamp sets from Everyday Explorers, it would be those two, the prompts and the holiday seals. And it's very simple layout ish, kind of, sort of. My kind of simple. Here is a close up of the cups, and I took a photo of the back of the cup because it was the 25th year. And then I have the busy photos, the busy cards, and diagonal, and then simple and diagonal. And here I have a little bit of both, and I'm very happy with how the catalog card photo came out. It looks so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.